Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to PMDC online lecture room. Subject Biology. Topic Endoplasmic Reticulum. The objectives of the topic is to understand the structure, types and functions of endoplasmic reticulum. Here you can see the diagram of endoplasmic reticulum. It was first discovered by Potter in 1945. The meaning of endoplasmic reticulum is endo means inside, plasm means cytoplasm, reticulum network. So it is basically a network inside the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cell. It is defined as the network of channels running throughout the cytoplasm of all the eukaryotic cells. These channels are separated from the rest of cytoplasmic material by either the spherical membranes or the tubular membranes called cisternae. You can see the flattened layers in the diagram called cisternae. The structure of endoplasmic reticulum is the channels are continuous or the tubes are continuous with the plasma membrane and in contact to the nuclear membrane. You can see the diagram in blue image in blue color that the channels are continuous from plasma membrane till nuclear membrane. There are two different types of endoplasmic reticulum. One is smooth endoplasmic reticulum, another is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, as you can see in the diagram on the left side, that it is without ribosomes or the plain smooth surface. While the rough endoplasmic reticulum, the diagram on the right side, shows some granular structures called as ribosomes on its surface. The functions of endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, due to presence of attached ribosomes, help in protein synthesis. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is present outside the nuclear membrane. The proteins which are formed are either stored in the cytoplasm or either exported out of the cell through channels, as you can see in the diagram that they are budded off in a form of vesicles and will go towards another organelle, that is Golgi bodies, for the modification, and then it will transport out of the cell. The functions of smooth endoplasmic reticulum is it helps in lipid synthesis. It also helps to detoxify the harmful drugs. The detoxifying organ in the body is liver cells. The production of different kind of hormones such as steroid hormones, sex hormones like testosterone, estrogen, etc. It also involves in the transportation of material, as well as the very main important function is it provides mechanical support so that to maintain the shape of cells. Thank you.